Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa family band, the Banda Mission Souls, ang pinagmamalaking family band ng Cebu City. And meron na naman tayong nakitang bagong upload nila guys. Ito yung isa sa mga tugtugan nila sa Zambales. Marami-rami na rin silang in-upload na tugtugan nila dito sa Zambales. At ito naman yung tinugtog nila guys na kanta ni Adele, yung Rolling in the Deep. Ayan, napakagandang awitin nito. At madalas din nilang tinutugtog to sa kanilang mga gigs. Samahan niyo ako, sabay-sabay tayo mag-react dito. Neisha. Saka si Stacy, naka-PRS.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me at the dark. Wow! Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out.
Kakaiba yung tunog ng gitara ni Neisha ngayon, no? Yung ano niya, parang ano ba tawag doon, palm mute niya, no? Iba yung effects eh.
And I'll lay your shit bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a
Galing talaga ng timing ni Ice, no? Sa drums. Yung bass, yung sa kick.
fire starting in my
Sarap
heart,
pakinggan.
reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me at the dark. The scars of your love
Ayan, pumasok na yung piano ni Naces.
remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help.
Siyempre kasama nila dito guys si Daddy Sekan at si Mami Sheena dito sa kantang to. Madalas kasi si Mami Sheena kumakanta nito, di ba? Tong Rolling in the Deep. Parang paborito niya to kantahin.
We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. Wow! You have my heart inside your hand, and you played it
Sarap pakinggan yung piano, no? Hindi pa. Parang sarap matuto magpiano.
to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I have one on you and gonna make it all.
Enjoy na enjoy si Ay sa paghampas eh. Nung ano, cymbals.
Burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as mine sure won't be shared. The scars of
Iba talaga yung live na tugtugan, no? Iba yung, lalo kung nandun ka sa lugar, iba yung mararamdaman mo eh. Kagaya nung pinanood ko sila sa Cavite. Iba talaga pag live. Mas, ano ba tawag doon? Parang mas ma-appreciate mo ng gusto talaga yung tugtugan. Maririnig mo yung kung gaano sila ka-talented pagdating sa music.
your love remind me of us. They
Pero syempre kahit naman dito sa video, kitang-kita naman na talented sila, di ba?
keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help it. You said could have had it all. Rolling.
Tsaka pag na-meet nyo sila guys, ang babait niyan, yung family banda yan. Kagaya nung na-meet namin sila ni Kanta Kwento, yung kapwa natin na YouTuber din. Na-meet namin sila sa Cavite nung nag-concert. Nanood kami. Ang babait nila.
You had my heart inside, and you played it to the beat.
Dala rin ni Ice yung ano, no? Yung drum pad, no? Bukod sa gamit niyang acoustic na drums, beat-beat niya rin yung drum pads niya.
Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside.
Si Daddy Sekan, pag ganyan-ganyan lang ng bass yan, pero nakabantay sa ano yan, sa quality ng tunog nila.
Okay.
Minomonitor niyan, maigi. Pero meron din naman silang kasamang ano dito, yung parang assistant niya. Yung mga audio tech nakalalay. Parang dalawa yata yun, no? Yung sa Cavite nun, nakita ko rin eh. Dalawa, parang dalawa. Tapos iba pa yung cameraman.
And you played it with the beating. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for.
Astig talaga ng boses ni Mami Sheena, no? Maning-manilang tong kanta ni Adele, ah.
Turn my sorrow into treasure gold.
Easy lang sa kanya.
Pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow.
Anong ginagawa ni, ni Neisha? Parang may dagdag siya, no? Para improvise. Galing. Sarap pakinggan.
You could have had it all. You could have had it all. It all.
Sarap pakinggan nung nung reverb ng mic ni kanino bang mic 'yun? Narinig ko eh. Kay Stacy yata yung parang naririnig ko boses na may reverb na kakaiba. Ang ganda pakinggan.
We could have had it all. Falling in the deep. You had my heart inside. And you played it.
'Di ba kahit mapa rock, mapa alternative, mga love song, talagang kayang-kayang tugtugin ng banda Mission Souls, 'di ba? Ito ang kanta ni Adele, 'di ba? Rolling in the Deep. Easy lang sa kanila tugtugin. Sa second voice pala si Naces. Kulit ni Nation. Ginanon yung gitara. Napaka-kuwela talaga nitong batan to, si Neisha. Grabe. Napakalupit talaga ng banda Mission Souls. Mapa live, mapa studio version. Wala ka talagang tulak kabigin sa mga cover song nila. At hindi ko pa napapakinggan yung original songs pala nila. Na-release na ba? Wala pa akong balita eh. Abangan natin, baka gawan nila ng music video, di ba, MTV. At pagka napanood ko, hayaan nyo, gagawin ko ng reaction video yon. Paano guys, hanggang dito na muna tayo at huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating munting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating i-react na video ng banda Mission Souls. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.